Hey Diecast lovers, finally I finished my new recording room, the room when I make the video for you guys, and as well this new table here. I prepared everything for you. So now I show you how this everything looks right now. Enjoy.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes.
I hope you enjoyed this video. So now I finally got the place where I can make focus and do the movie for you guys. So I hope they be better quality and you be enjoy to watch this video. Thank you.
Some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything.